We are making lion, so we required marker pen, eraser, some small piece of black paper, and two different colors papers like this. And by the help of the circles we will make the head and the hair. So take the cap and make the big circle here. Take any circle and one small circle here for making the face. First we will make the head, and we need some googly eyes here for making eyes. Now see here we will make the face like this, and we take the marker here. We will make the 2 points for eyes and one samosa for nose and the smiley face. Make the line here and draw the 3 lines this side and the opposite side 3 lines, and eyebrow and the lines like this. And we will stick the googly eyes here in the place of eyes here. Like this we will make the eyes, and we will cut the shape, this one. Like this we will make the face of the lion. And this paper we will fold like roll the paper, black paper, and put some gum to stick the paper. And keep aside for dry. And we will cut this paper. Take the paper and make the head shaped circle here. And we will cut the circle. Take out the paper and we will cut like this. See, like circle is here, and cut every part here with the help of the scissor. Take the gum. We will stick the face here like this. We will stick the face of the lion. Fold the paper some up and down. Like this. Hair not in equal size shape, up and down. Like this we will make the head of the lion, and we will make the body here. We will take the paper, yellow color paper, same where the face is there. We will fold the paper from the center, and when we fold the paper, some part we will take out. This paper I will take out for the tail. Make the arc here. Like this will make the arc. This is the back side, and here we will leave it. Here we will make the tail here and curve line, and we will cut the make line. Like this we will cut the paper. Like this we will make the stand like this paper, and we'll make the tail here. We have folded this paper, licked the die, and we will cut the paper, this one, like this, and we will stick it here with the help of the gum. I will stick for you this one like this. You can stick on the tail like this paper, and you can open the paper like this tail, and we will take the paper, put some gum here, and we will stick the paper like this, and we will paste inside it one side gum, and we will stick the tail here like this. We will stick the tail, and we put the gum here for sticking the head, so we can stick the head here like this. We will make the line here. Now see, the line will stand like this. The line will stand like this on the table or the shelf. You can make the line and stick it like this, stand like this. So thanks for watching and learning something. So please do like, share, comment and subscribe.